You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce this word? We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Acquired, it's said in British English, or acquired in American English. Acquired or acquired. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time for more pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.